I'm going to show you how to change the lever, adjustment lever, on a Stealth or a Virtu stool. The first thing you do is you take off the plastic cover cap that is covering this nut. Set that aside. You then take a 17 millimeter either closed-in wrench or a socket, and you put it on this nut, and you want to tighten the nut. When you tighten the nut, it will take the tension off of the lever, and you can tell that it's tight enough where this lever will flop around. That tells me that the tension is off of that lever. Once the tension is off of that lever, you then can remove the C-clip from the pin. And to remove the C-clip from the pin, you can put the screwdriver on the closed end of the C-clip, press it down, make sure you do not lose the C-clip, and then this pin will easily push out to remove this lever. You then take the new lever New levers usually don't come with clips. You take a new lever, you put the new lever in position, you put the pin back in, you take the C-clip and put the C-clip back on the end of the pin, and this is where it gets sometimes a little difficult, because it is sometimes difficult to get that C-clip back on the end of the pin. But you see there, I get it. Now we need to tighten the tension back on there, and you do that by putting your 17 millimeter socket back on the nut. You loosen the nut until you can see that the tension is taking the play out of that arm. And when the play is out of that arm, then that is positioned properly. You take your cap, put it back on the nut if you want to, and you're done.